And then I'll probably switch to another one if I do programming. It's already 7 something though. Yeah, so this is ready. Actually, I have a script. Kind of slow. Trying to think where I put it. I don't think it's in there. Maybe this isn't. Yeah, this is it. So it's going to be. Whoops, not there. What is this? Yeah, I think I need to work on this one. See if I can default it to at least here. And then this is going to be my actual drive that I use to edit. And it's this one. So that was easy enough. And it made saved a file. Yeah. A little bit faster than otherwise. What we can do as well save that. Go in here, run this. See if our script is any good. So we can transcribe. So I have to switch my folder. Hopefully I remember to swap this because that's not going to work. Well, it'll work. Yeah. So there's this one, initialize. So that made a bunch of stuff here as well. Oops, there we go. So it made this folder, it made the project thing. And I could go in here and do I'll just do the base model transcription. Not really necessary, but I'm curious. Because usually with these videos, I just clip them up, the tail end and the, start and end. So it looks like it's basically done. Nice. So inside the project now, we've got, oh, where is that? This one. So we have a full transcription. And it's confidence scores, or time, actually this is a time code. Start and stop for that. And you can see different lines. Yeah, pretty cool. And there's also this one. So this is, I don't know what the tokens thing is. So this one has the confidence scores for each word. Start and stop point for each word. So that's very good for editing potentially. Okay, so it's got the full text and then it has that split up into pieces. I don't know what that is. It's got compression ratio, temperature, confidence, words. Yeah, a lot of information in here. Pretty massive file just for that. Could always ask the AI about it. So here, this is the auto editing features that I'm working on. Identify retake zones. We've got micro silence removal. We can even do this flub thing, which I felt like was not an amazing option, but we'll just do that one. There's reaction spikes, Q&A, action B-roll. Let's try that one. I don't think this is functional, so maybe let's not. And then that thing. So this one, for this identify retake zones, is going to start up another local AI model and look at the footage and try to find mistakes, which there shouldn't be any, right? I think I messed up once in the beginning. Yeah, I think it was for the drink. I go by scattage. I go by scattage of food reviews on. Clearly that transcription with the base model didn't do amazingly well. I could try a better model in the future. Batch processing complete. Just fully done. Oh yeah, it's done. Cool. And this thing is perfect. It designed it exactly how I wanted the console window. I mean, it'd be nice if there were a little bit like a search or something, but this is exactly how I wanted it for the minimize, maximize, and pop out. It's quick and easy and functional. Very nice. Then those don't have anything in them at the moment. So there's that. And I can go into here and then go into here and then into here. So these are the things that it came up with. Let's try this silence thing. Let's do a non-destructive. Just out of curiosity. I don't know why this is so grayed out. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's not amazing. There are things that I learned in this one that fixes that, or at least adjusts it, that can be applied to this one. So there's also a tail padding feature, but this one's hard coded. Yeah, I'll have to go back and work on that one. See if I can apply some of the knowledge from this thing into this one. So I'm not going to use this, but it's looking not terrible. But yeah, you can see that the tail end, that one's fine. This is not great. This is a huge gap here. Yeah, generally seems offset. That's not right. That's bad. So this actually currently looks a little bit worse than my other one, which I can do a quick little test of as well. So this is my original script set. Then here's a remove silence. This one uses a feature in Vegas Pro that it renders out a audio file and then it does some processing. It makes a file, and then that's what's used. Whoops. So we select, oh, why is this, what the heck? Okay, those were not joined for some reason. Let's go back to that. Let's try this. Yeah, so you can see it makes the MP3 temporarily, and that's kind of just a remnant of the process. And then this is what happens with this one, which honestly it looks pretty decent. There are gaps that I would prefer not to have. But clearly, at least at the moment, this one's better than the other one. Yeah. So. Anyways, let's just quickly edit these and post them, because I'm not super interested in making highly advanced edits of food and drink reviews, because they don't tend to do amazingly anyways. And there's probably a thing is too much editing sometimes. Actually, let me, before I do that, I'm going to try this this one. Okay, all it found were 2 sections. The savory side, to me, it doesn't taste like barbecue. Like what American barbecue would taste. A ton of flavor.
On the savory side, to me, it doesn't taste like barbecue. Like what American barbecue would taste like. So, I guess it's Israeli barbecue or something. Because it's from Israel. Parve. Kosher parve.
Yeah. Go by Scotty Joe Food Reviews on here, as well as so that's what that does. It's focused on finding mistakes. I want to make one that just finds sections, and hopefully that'll work better. But there was a mistake up here that I did. Contains 0% juice, 5 calories. I think also what I might do, I don't know if I want to do a multi-stage process though, because I could add these features to this instead of adding them to the other program that runs outside of it, or just add it to both. I'm not sure. Contains 0% juice. Take a look at this blackberry or black. Okay. Yeah, this is a mistake. It should have found this. Take a look at this black. I'm gonna clip this one. Carbonated, contains 0% juice, 5 calories. Save as. It's correct. BB, blackberry. Is it blackberry? Black raspberry. Baskin Robbins. I don't know how fruits and vegetables turn into such a bright red, but yeah. The carbonate, the vitamins in here as well. Of course, it has the vitamin. This one is Bisley Barbecue, Azem, Black Raspberry. I really started that poorly. File save as. B. I don't know how to spell it. Start with this one. This one is Bisley Barbecue, Azem. It's clearly a foreign
type of snack. So it says flavored wheat snacks, 2.5 ounce. So when I was looking on Amazon, there's different sizes. I linked both sizes. This one, the pricing on it seemed off. I can't really talk about prices on Amazon, but
just gonna get rid of that. 5 ounce. Anyways, there's a smaller one with more of them in the package.
That might be the one to check out if you're curious. Anyways, I'm just gonna go by serving size.
This is the type of thing I would like for computer editing, auto editing. To be a thing. Soy protein. Again, the specific size is
2 servings. So there you can see per serving and per container.
wasting too much time editing this. Trying to get my camera to... So that's what they look like. Kind of smells like dog treats. Yep. They have a nice crunch. They're surprisingly somewhat bland tasting. I need to lower my voice here, maybe. It's probably good. They're crunchy, which is good. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Delete. And here I can do audio. What am I doing? Insert. No. Tools. Audio track. Vocal strip. I have a default profile that I made. Oh, it's right there. Okay. It's even faster. Nice. So that's good. It just makes it more uniform with all of my uploads. Whether it does a whole lot, who knows. So I think this one is good to go. Gonna use the NVIDIA encoder. They improved the speed of it vastly compared to 21. There is the AMD one on my computer as well, but it seems like the NVIDIA one now is faster than the AMD one. So this is on the CPU. This one's on the GPU. Maybe it's just not as fast when I'm doing streaming, but 170 frames a second. Yeah. Oh, I need to make a thumbnail. Maybe I should try the AMD one next, just out of curiosity, see if it's faster when I'm streaming. Oh, I could also add some background music. At least. Yeah. Why is my microphone picking up? That was weird. Maybe it hears the... No. It's just picking something up. This is actually a Shure MV7, so it's not a SM7B, and I'm using it through USB. It does have an XLR port, and then this foam here is actually from a SM7B. I can pull it off. So that's what it looks like. Why, hello there. But it's just a friction fit. And this gives it more distance. The default one is a short little nub thing. And they have, I think, 2 different versions of this already. Newer ones. So this kind of helps me distance a little bit better than the default one. And it's a denser material. So that's kind of why I've always used this one instead. I saw a YouTube video. I can't remember his name. Yeah, I haven't seen his videos in quite a while, but that was his suggestion. Seems good. So let me go up here. That's probably nice. Save. Yep. Let's check it real quickly just to make sure. Azem. It's clearly a foreign per serving. 8 specific size is have a ton of flavor. This is just YouTube audio library music, so that when I do multi-streaming, I can at least have that music. There's issues with routing and things that would, yeah, there are probably ways to maybe do it a different way, like push different audio to different platforms. But YouTube's limited on, it doesn't have the VOD track feature, which is stupid. I do wonder if it's currently unavailable. It's weird. Browse history. I still haven't tried to edit the older ones, and I didn't do this. But all right, pull this up. Oops. And it's still uploading. $100. I mean, is that the way of things with? I mean, it is a specialty kind of thing. Those pads. Oh. Mm. I mentioned this before, but there's a really cool manufacturing video for the original Steam controller. So I do wonder if they're building them here in the United States, which would partially explain the price. Let's see if I can find that. I didn't spell controller right. Yeah, it's this one. And this was 10 years ago. So where did it say? Buffalo Grove. I'm within driving easy. I mean, I don't know where Buffalo Grove is, but I'm within access of that area probably. Like reasonable. I mean, I highly doubt they would have tours, but that would be cool. And that's, again, assuming they're doing something similar for the new one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I said that as well. Grown. uh, hmm. They have the technology, or they had the technology to do it here. Why would they not? Is the question. Doesn't look like my comment got visibility. I don't remember what account I was using. Probably the Scotty Photon one. I guess I could check. Yeah, I only got 5 upvotes, and it was 5 months ago. So basically, it's around the same time as the other person. I got 3,000. What the heck? What the heck? Hmm. Why am I so bad at social media? Yeah. Bro probably copied me. Or maybe I wanted to say it, but then they were first. Who knows? Anyways, that's very cool. Hmm. Yeah. I haven't posted anything for 5 months. I've never done a regular post either. Like a community post. Otherwise, they'd have a tab for it. Oh man, I'm slacking here. I was going to do a bunch of stuff today, but it's already 8 something. So I submitted one video. Let's put it on Amazon. YouTube. So this is the food YouTube channel. Upload. Put that there. The title. Whoops. I don't know even how I did that. You never know. Where did I save this? Oops. So many. I will say, from a streaming standpoint, it is generally a bad idea to use a day-to-day computer for streaming. I mean, I do, but I can understand the potential problems doing that. You can easily dox yourself, show things that you don't want to show. There was one recently that apparently showed a bot thing, stuff like that. Not the best ideas. Or like leak messages and things, also a bad idea, but it happens. And as structured and as careful as you can be, there's always a chance of accidentally showing something stupid. Not that anyone has anything to really care about most of the time, but there's a lot of bad people out there that want to use anything against anyone that they can. And you're doing things in public, it would be like any situation out in the public. If you had a tag on your clothes or something, that you didn't want there, didn't realize was there. Or you drop a receipt or drop a letter or something accidentally. I think this is probably fine. I don't know if I have a feature to generate metadata yet. I should do that. I was gonna browse games on my different, Steam and Epic Game Store, and what is it called? GOG. See what I have here. Not that I play much. I have the Beholder. That looks intense. Gunmetal. I mean, this is pretty old. Speed Racer also, I mean, most of the stuff on GOG it tends to be in the old direction. This one would be fun to go back to. I don't know if the Super Nintendo games were the originals, but yeah, they were on the Super. This was on the Super Nintendo. So. This is a pretty fun game, Star Trek Voyager Elite Force. I did stream a little bit of this. There is a mod to make it look better on the computer. Darkstone. I remember enjoying this one, but I haven't played it in a really long time. I might have tried to load it up for streaming once, but a lot of my old VODs were wiped out with Twitch's changes. They might be still on YouTube, but I have them private, I think. Because I had wanted to go through those at some point and do something with them, but yeah. I have The Witcher enhanced director's cut version. Wolfenstein 3D. Oh, it's Return to Castle. This is the newer. I mean, new is relative, but Quake RPG. This probably would be fun, but difficult to get into. Anyways, I'm going on tangents again. So this thing looks fine. Yeah, I was thinking of... There was a feature in my thing, but it might have gotten wiped out when I was modifying it. Let me see. The following file... Oh. Oh, specify. It's probably going to complain, so I moved it. It's in here. Yes, open it. It shouldn't even... It was automatically added to the video project because of how I did it, so it's fine. Let's close that. Let me just check and see if there is. No. So if it had existed, it's not. There's no interface for it. I spelled it wrong. That's fine. Misspellings are useful as well. Yeah, common misspellings. That's good. Man, it's already 8:30. Man. What is wrong with this thing? Is my internet still working? Uh-oh. I've never seen this happen. Ever. It's like total. Okay. Okay. Keep going on tangents. Focus. So next up is the other one. That'd be this one. And when did I start streaming? What? Hour and 50 minutes? I must have started later than I thought. But almost 2 hours to do a drink review was a bit much. Tartaric acid. So it has the vitamin. Let me check that. Let me use there's no AI mode. So I'm not logged in. It's not gonna let me use AI mode. Could have been wrong here, so it's hard to. Well, let's see. Okay, it says yes. I mean, assuming it's correct. You know, there's always a chance it's not correct. But it says tartaric acid was A formational ingredient in original 19th century cream soda recipes, often paired with cream of tartar. While modern commercial cream sodas typically use citric and phosphoric acid, traditional recipes from the 1850s use tartaric acid, sugar, cream of tartar to create a tangy carbonated beverage. I think I had seen it in the Sprechers. Sprechers? Is it? Yeah. Yeah, this one. Let's see if we can find their ingredients list. Nutrition facts. Oh, maybe not. I don't know where I saw it. It says flavor rounding, historical accuracy. Tartaric acid has a sharper, more astringent profile than citric acid, and sparkling ice, which is the drink that has it. Citric acid provides a familiar citrus-like zing. The tartaric acid adds a grape-like or wine-like tartness. Vanilla undertones. Many black raspberry flavorings use aromatic compounds that overlap with vanilla or floral. When those soft round flavors meet the specific tartness of tartaric acid, it creates a flavor profile very similar to modern creamsicle or vanilla forward cream soda. Okay. I mean, again, this is AI talking, so you never know. But and it says, in fact, some reviewers have specifically compared other sparkling ice soda shop flavors to cream soda for this exact reason. They use these acids to create a round, warm vanilla finish that cuts through the typical diet soda aftertaste. Okay, so that's kind of meant to compound, like, counteract the sucralose. Is it sucralose? Yeah, sucralose. Oh no, that's supposed to be the original sparkling ice. Oh, okay. I I used to drink the regular sparkling ice stuff, but I got kind of I felt sick after drinking those sometimes. So I feel like there's something weird about those ones. Anyways, I keep going on tangents. Here's another tangent. This one. I saw that in the Epic Game Store. Concentrate. Let's see. Carbonation went away. Yeah, the carbonation just... Yeah, overall I like the berry flavor. I like it. That is the black raspberry sparkling ice caffeine. Delete. That's good. Raspberry, I would assume. So, yeah. I'm not going to bother doing much editing to this. Tools, audio, track FX, and then add the vocal strip plugin. There's my default, my thing. And then file, render. Let's try the AMD one. Again, out of curiosity. I actually make sure it's actually, yeah. This is wrong. Never change that. Oh, asterisk. There's probably more here. I need to... Man, I haven't uploaded in so long that some of these are... Oh, this is a new version of the application anyways. It's actually going faster. So I wonder if when I'm streaming it's lowering the potential speed of the render on the GPU compared to the CPU. So this is rendering from the built-in whatever graphics functionality of the CPU. So it's the AMD 9900X. It's going pretty fast. 220 frames a second. Keep zoning out. Let's check this just to make sure. It does. Feynman's. Yeah, that's fine. Need to make a thumbnail. Oh, kind of screw that up. Let's just leave it like that, maybe. I don't know. Sounds a little bit better. Save. No. Oh, it totally failed on the title. Amazon does an AI title thing. It called it caffeine free. It's literally caffeine filled. So, oopsie. Hmm. Select thumbnail. Cool. So that's uploading. And go in here and upload it here once other one's done. Last 28 days, viewers proudly found Scotty Joe drink review through search and recommendations. I don't know why I'm so terrible at suggested reach. Throughout all of my video work, I'm better. I seem to be more visible through search than suggested. It's probably genre as well because I've shifted a lot towards like review content out of practicality. I mean, I could do other type of stuff like skits and who knows what else. I mean, I've done a lot of tutorial things and building stuff, things like that. But those tend to be more search based, anyways, as well. Search powerhouse. Yeah, okay. Encourage binge watching. I do. I do. How many viewers did I reach? Down 43%. Up 2.2%. Up 40%. But it's only 67. It's kind of terrible. Whoops. That's a mistake. It's from the last one. What am I doing? Delete. Can never spell caffeine right. Oh, CA. Cool. Yes. Let's see. Just make sure that okay, I don't have any tags. Oops. Go to here, make this public. And then I'll do that one later. It's 8:40 something. I don't think I'm going to do much more today on stream. Let's take a look at game stuff, I guess. Just Chatoon. There we go. This is what I have installed. GCG, Cade Cats, Pools, TCG. This thing I never played. It's a demo. Pac-Man, Sonic, Musume, Vampire Survivors. I haven't played this in a long time. Goshi time. That was today. Login bonus. Okay, out of curiosity. Where is that? Did I close the audio thing? Yeah. Oh, it loaded up on a different screen here. Just shrink it down. It's probably loud. Actually, I don't know if I even have audio set up for this. No, I don't. Okay. We log in, we get points, we log out. How's that? Maybe we gamble if we have enough points. More downloading. What is this? Free? I don't even remember how to use this. Where's the free thing? Whoops. Okay. What do I click on? No, I don't want to do that. Okay, free stuff. I'm not going to do it. Donna training Oshimaska. What is this? Raise potential. Wait. Oh, she's level 3. I think I had wanted to upgrade her. So at the time I was saving. Manda, done. Like I see the icon for things that I'm supposed to click or something. Is it here? Yeah, they got rid of it. Okay, I see it's always going to show it there. I have 10,000. So we can gamble. That's the current one. Oh, that one's pretty good. Martial arts. Nope, not doing those ones. New support cards. Yosh. Spotlight support cards. You know what? We'll do one of these first. I'm just gonna. Oh, never mind. Okay. Oh, King Halo, my first favorite. But she's kind of annoying sounding. I'll take it. That's a cute dress too. Well, beginner's luck, as in they want to rehook you into the game. So let's I probably used my luck on that. We'll do this one. So it's got a colored border, but I don't. Okay. Yeah, this is rehook you luck. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, bro. Did they need that camera angle? Another one? Holy crap. This sounds like a dupe. Oh, well, did I get this in the past? I don't know. I remember that one being a option. That's cool. Like, please come back to the game. Here's some cool stuff. I feel like if I do any more, it's just going to be bad rolls, but I'll leave that 5,000 for now. Yeah, anyways, it's cool. It's a fun game for what it is. Got my 5 or 10,000 or whatever it was. Yeah, so that's that. I have a ton of games here, but spending the time to actually play them would be cool. Someday, maybe. Who knows? It's very low on the priority list. Let's see what other platform I've got. This is GOG. Again, this is mostly older stuff. It's the list of what I've got. Rebel Galaxy. I don't even know what this is. Some sort of space game. Looks cool. "2015. Shadow Warrior 2, SimCity. That was a good one. Beam Park. Oh yeah, I have Amazon Prime right now, so I've been adding stuff from their free whatever's free games, and a lot of them are on GOG. So I probably got some random things that I didn't necessarily want, but I'll take. Like this. I don't know what this is, but type of platform game. Looks alright. This one as well. I know I didn't buy this specifically. Looks good though. Fallout. Yeah. So again, another list of games that who knows if I'll ever be able to play them. And then the Epic Game Store. So this is pretty cool. I still have the link up here. So this is their game engine. I don't know if I would try to use this one now. If I wanted to try to make something, I'd probably try to use the Valve one because it's free. Even if you publish stuff, apparently. But maybe there's some gotchas to it. don't know. Trying to do this would be massive undertaking, I'm not sure. There was a point, and I probably still have some code to I was trying to vibe code back when it was not a thing and not a term, because Unreal Engine basically was kind of like, actually might work so much better now, which I'm curious about. But yeah, I don't know what their licensing is for publishing at this point. Let me see if I have that code on here. In progress, maybe. Nope. Not that folder. Personal projects. Nope. Python environment builder. What is that? Oh. Open with. Choosing their program. Always. Yeah, it's okay. That could be useful if I make an article about that. It's a Python, like a self-contained thing to run Python programs. Let me see if maybe I'll do a search on this. Unreal. Maybe I deleted it, which would be odd. Or at least I've removed it from here. Or I didn't use the word Unreal in the project name. Old projects, other old projects, old code. So many very helpful folder names. Okay, these are really old. Okay, here's a assignment from well, it's a solution file. It's not even going to open it. Visual Basic. This is from college course, I think. Oh yeah, clear does not work. MP3 file reader. Yeah, that's mostly really old stuff. Let's see, where could it be if it exists? Backups? No. I'd be surprised if I totally deleted it and got rid of it. But it's possible. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on here. Oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, I've got it. Copy. I don't know how, this is probably a huge download. How do I get it? Download. Learn about licensing. I already have the Epic Games Launcher. Watch how to install. It's a flipping video to install it. Do I really? Library. Engine versions. I'm gonna install. Okay. Sure. Oh, I could have clicked that. Pricing options is free to use under the following cases: game development, no royalty in the game for the first 1 million USD. Provided that you notify Epic upon its release. Applications licensing to third parties rely on UE code at runtime. Applications licensed to third parties that rely on UE code at runtime, making less than $1 million in lifetime revenue. So games, applications, individuals and businesses, all users other than above, where the business makes less than 1 million USD in gross annual revenue. So educational use. Pricing for users making more than 1 million USD. Depending on your use of the Unreal Engine, you'll either pay royalties or purchase seats. For games and applications that rely on engine code at runtime and are licensed to third parties, you'll pay 5% royalties on lifetime worldwide gross revenue above 1 million USD, provided that you notify Epic upon its release. Seat-based fees for users of Unreal Engine. For any other commercial purposes. Sure. Read this gigantic thing of text. Sure. Okay. It's probably huge. I'll just maybe I'll 11 gigabytes. I'll play TFT. One TFT. I could do that versus enemies thing. Yeah. I was gonna say, did it? I don't know who that is. Oh. This is an old account. And I know this person, but I don't remember who this is. We'll do this. Whoops, I got so many things going on here. That. Oh, did I upload? Yeah, I think I did. Switch to this one. Fight. No. Who do I want to pick? We'll do Space Groove Boy. I mean, it's not a boy, it's a dog in a suit, which is cool. Timo. That's a weird voice for a little dog. Okay. Brawler Replicator. That didn't really combo anything. Shepherd Voyager. That didn't do anything either. Sword? No sword. Belt. No, it's just wing it. Oh, it's only 28% done. I don't really have a character that would make sense. Good old Gwen. That's Space Groove. Backline. Sparring Glove, Bloodthirster. Shop reroll every... Sure. Oh, he's already level 2. Yeah, never mind. Here we go. Groovy. What is she? Yeah. Glove? Yep. Let's roll with it, see what happens. 39% installed. Still downloading. Kind of a waste of time probably to install this epic game, or I mean Unreal Engine, but maybe I could mess with it in the future. Vanguard Shepherd. Do have Vanguards.
Savor this.
1. Don't really have space. Nice. Level.
Savor this. May I jump in?
52% download install. I might not last as long as the download takes. We'll see. Nova. Meeples. Level 2. Nice.
No heart binds me.
Sure.
The righteous path begins with me.
Nope. It's quite the Nice.
Stitching that back together.
It's probably good. Don't have any space though. $62%. $4,000 HP. Double sword. I'm doing a very basic process here.
I'll savor this.
Yep.
My eyes are open.
It's getting kind of close. No? Hmm. Challenger. Do I have challengers? No. Arbiter. Yeah.
No stitching that back together.
I will.
Hmm. I'm kind of stuck here. To Timo. Gwen, let me see.
Shake it.
There's not enough. What to do?
May I jump in?
Was the dual Dragon's Claw? I think he doesn't. Yeah. Load that guy up. Nice.
No stitching that back together.
Mama. Just don't have the space. Level 1. What do? I want 2 of these, but 99% installed. Okay, I can't even pick that up. Who brings a gun to a snowball fight? What does that even mean? Don't have the money. Can find the dog. Okay, that's irritating. Thank you. Got no money, got no rolls. Oh, let me pick that up. I got money again. Uh-oh. Nice.
No stitching that back together.
Let's put this dupe back there. This one's a magic caster. Gem. Was gem and arrow? Yeah, I don't see why that wouldn't be good. Yeah.
Finally some action.
Level 2, level 1. It's almost there. Just need more space. So get rid of that.
May I jump in?
Well, that one too, but nice. Finally some flipping space. I could put another duplicate in, I guess, for the moment. So I don't burn any more money. And the thing is still installing, 84% installed.
Sleep it off, pal. Finally some action.
Nice. Swap. Cyanic. Nice.
Sleep it off, pal.
Sure.
This be a warning to the rest.
It's got the dog in it too. Look at that. 2 of them. This would be a good screenshot. Should I have my face in here? Oops. Kind of slow. Gonna hide my face cam for a second. Vanguard Shepherd. Magic Tank 8 costs. 5 costs. See what happens. I probably need something to attack the back line again. I think that messed me up last time. Nice. Probably should have bought that, but do want this. Oh, I got 2 of these. Guess I'll just go big back line. Oh no, that is this. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. It's space crew, but.
Savor this.
See if I can. Whoops. Upgrade that one. Get rid of this. Nice. Whoa. Oh, this is different. It's totally different than I thought it was. Commander mod, Magic Fighter. This is temporary. Or at least an add-on. And that is not what I thought it was. Nice. Team up. Whoops. See what happens. Do I have an arbiter?
No stitching that back together.
Epic game thing is installing. Or it's done installing. Let's get that to Gwen. It's only 9 costs at level 3. Look at those fighter jet things. Nice.
Savor this.
Is she on the board? No. Nice.
Cross me will be made my targets.
17 costs at level 3. 9 costs. Timo. Her back on the board. It's probably good. Whoops. What happened? That was weird. I thought I clicked on it. This is not looking amazing. No. I think I'm good. Yeah.
No stitching that back together.
Rascal's Glove.
The time to talk is over.
Give that to... that one, maybe? Yeah. Doomer. Alright, out of space again. I just sold that. Do what, Nami? Yeah. What to get rid of here? This one. It's level 2. So I need 3 of these. I need 3 of those. I need 1 of those. I want the rogue, but
Soak it up.
Dark Lady, LeBlanc, 5 costs. Nice. See what happens. So I would like to get that one on the board. These are duplicates. All of those are duplicates. This is not looking... it's fine. Nice. Oh man, they're level 1. Bard. Lesser champion duplicator? Of course not. Let's see if I can... I gotta work on that one. I don't think it's gonna work on this one. It does. Crap. Warmog. That one I need one more. I'm gonna get rid of that for the moment. Nice. Graves. Does a lot of physical damage. I don't know if I have a lot of physical damage. Teemo. Yeah, let's just do it. See what happens. It's looking not amazing. Okay, it's looking kind of bad. Okay, manage it. Get to her. If you want that.
The time for talk is over.
Sniper. Oh, I didn't buy that last time? Thought I bought it. Should probably level up though as well. Nice. Another one. I mean, if I could get level 3, that would be cool. This is a different game mode, so it might be possible. Nice. That's big. Give me some space to function here. Duelist. I should probably focus on more of the impressive, higher cost ones. Oops. Nami. Briar. I mean, I could swap Briar for the Rogue. 11 versus 3. Yeah. Put her in here. Sorry, Briar. Keep thinking Briar Patch. It's probably related. Put Master Yi in here, just in case. So these are duplicates. That is wild. Magic resist. So probably need to cover every damage type really well. Big money. I did not intend for this to go this long. Let's see. I'm gonna assume that she takes that. Attack, wound, chill. Let's give that. Champion duplicator. Sure. Just level 2. Can I level up? Maybe. Nice. Dark Lady. I think I sold that. Another one. Oh. What type of damage does she do? Yeah, some of them have magic resist. So maybe that's not the best route. Maybe that Graves one. What type of damage does this one do? Vital damage. Let's just see what happens. If I lose here, then whatever. Level 2 Doomer. Nice. And Nami. Come on, just let me pick up the stuff instead of doing this. I wonder if there's some way to do it more easily. Oh man. Just don't even have space for this. That. 345. That's probably better. I don't know. Sure. Put Master Yi in here, maybe? That one combos. See what happens. That's a lot of 4th level. Huh? How do you do level 4 characters? Nice. What is this thing? Galaxy Hunter. Need that stuff, but no space. What can I get rid of? Still have her. He's 4 cost, 5 cost. Yeah, those two combo.
Blitz, back on the controls. It's time to conquer the galaxy.
Ah, but I wanted to dance.
Oh,
Let us begin.
I mean, sure. Doomer. Nice, nice. I should have rolled. Because I can't level up anymore. Like, what did they even... Zed. Oh, that's it? Okay. Oops. Let me take a screenshot. I got a thumbs up. I don't know if it... Anyways. Yeah. So there's that. Okay, next. Let's load this up and see what... Sure. Okay. What is this? Oh, he's playing. Cool. One more step. Please. Come on. Stuck. Like, what does it need to verify here? Let's see. My projects. You don't have any projects. How do I add my old one? I think I made a duplicate of it. Let's see. Did I not? Copy. Paste. Cool. Let's see. New project. No. My projects. Project location. I can't click on anything. Browse. That might be it. Let's see if it... Convert. Convert in place. See what happens. Initializing Python. Did they move away from C#? Bro. I don't know what it's doing. Just make sure there's nothing that's preventing it from running properly. Don't want to close this. No. Come on. Come on. This does not look hopeful, but we'll see, I guess. Initializing. Bro Dizzle. Bro Sizzle, come on. 87%. Did it actually lock up? Okay. Yes, it did. Failed to import. Failed to create asset starter content. Please see output. Okay. Lighting needs rebuilt. So there's supposed to be some AI thing in here. Yeah, that does not look right. So it said see some sort of error or something. Let me switch here for a second. Pull up some sort of editor. See output log for details. Is there an AI thing in here to help me do programming? Tools. Content drawer, output log. Okay, that is a big log. I'm going to search for fail. Failed to load. Failed to delete. Okay, maybe it's locked. Properties. Read only. Why would it be read only? Advanced. Sharing security. Okay, maybe that we'll try it again. It's possible the files were locked. So my projects, browse. Okay, that's correct. Open. Awesome. So let's delete that one. And then recopy it. Yeah, I'm getting a deja vu. I feel like I've been in this place before with Unreal Engine. Go into properties this time. Uncheck read only. Have it applied to everything. Okay. Let's try again. Again. Projects. Browse. Just make sure that's correct. Yes. Convert in place. Brother, what? That was a fresh copy. That makes no sense to me. It says read only again. Don't crash this time. Flipping A, dud. What are you complaining about? The assert failed. Still have an exe. It didn't do anything. Yeah. Content. That always irritates me when things like this. I had similar issues with Android stuff that you just can't properly upgrade an old project. That just feels poor, bad design, bad programming, bad platform. Yeah. Login ID. Did that just dox me? Anyways, I'm gonna head out. Base. Just irritating messing with this thing. See ya.